This isn't magic.
It's science in action.
When your kettle is full of limescale, just add some water, drop in a slice of lemon, and heat it for 10 minutes. The scale disappears completely. If your remote only has one battery, don't panic. Connect the positive and negative ends with a piece of wire, and it'll still work. Wearing gloves and can't touch your phone? Simply use the negative end of a battery, and voila! It slides like magic. Cut open a diaper, take out the absorbent resin, and drop it into water. Instantly, it turns into a red gel-like liquid. That's the principle behind artificial blood. Drop a spoonful of coffee powder into milk, and you'll see it coated with a thin milk layer. But with one touch of a toothpick, the milk vanishes in a flash. Sprinkle detergent onto tissue paper, roll it into a tube, rub it against an old shoe sole, and when you blow gently, the paper starts burning on its own. Amazing! Put a frozen strawberry into super cooled water and it instantly freezes around it. That's the secret behind instant ice. Take 2 plastic pens, wrap them in paper, hold them tight, and slam them on a table. When you unwrap it, the pens are stuck together and can even hold a cup on the other end. That's static and pressure in action. If chewing gum gets stuck in your hair, don't panic. Soak it in cola for 5 minutes and it slides right off. Clean and easy. That's the magic of real science. Simple, fun, and full of wonder. Insert a copper rod and a zinc rod into a potato, connect them with wires, and suddenly, the potato powers a tiny watch. That's electricity made from nature itself. Rub an iron needle on a magnet a few times, place it gently on water, and you've just built your own compass. Cut a rose stem into 4 parts, dip each into different colors, and soon it blossoms into a rainbow flower. Carve a hole in a spoon, press it into the filling, and watch. Perfect round dumplings every time. Regular glass shatters so easily, but with a few strips of tape, it becomes nearly unbreakable. That's how safety glass works. Pull a bead chain from a cup and watch it leap into the air. That's physics in motion. Connect straws, cups, and a sealed bag to a hairdryer, and just like that, you've made a homemade vacuum sealer. Fold a single sheet of paper once, twice, and it can hold things you wouldn't believe. That's the power of structure. Science isn't about magic tricks. It's about curiosity, wonder, and imagination. A simple card can't hold much weight, but when you fill a glass with water and place it on top, it somehow holds strong. Twist a straw in a sharpener a few times, wrap it around a wire, and there you have it, a handmade spring. Now press a spray can and balance a ping pong ball right above it. Look at that, it floats in midair. That's Bernoulli's principle in action. Attach a straw to a balloon, run a string through, tie it between 2 trees, and let go. Whoosh! The power of air propulsion right before your eyes. Mix iron powder with glue, stir it well, and bring a magnet close. It moves like a living shadow. Magnetic ferrofluid. Combine baby oil and vegetable oil, add a few drops of color, and a fizzing tablet. An undersea volcano erupts in your glass. Freeze a bottle of water for 2 hours, tap it gently, and watch it transform instantly into ice. That's the mystery of super cooled water. Poke holes around a bottle, fill it with water, twist the cap, and boom! Your very own mini fountain with adjustable flow. Even a piece of tissue can filter dirty water thanks to tiny fibers that pull it clean through capillary action. Science isn't about tricks. It's about wonder, curiosity, and discovery. So grab your friends, have fun experimenting, and feel the magic of real science around you.